creates your outer world. The law of attraction is always working, whether you believe it or not. Your thoughts become things.
Grab your free copy now. Click the link in the description to download your exciting ebook. Happy reading!
Like attracts like. You are the master of your own destiny. Whatever you focus on expands. The universe is always conspiring in your favor. Your beliefs create your reality. The more you focus on what you want, the faster it will come to you. The more you feel grateful for what you have, the more you will receive. Your thoughts and emotions create your vibration, which attracts people and situations to you. Visualize what you want, and it will manifest in your life. The universe responds to your thoughts and feelings, not to what you say or do. The only thing standing between you and your desire is your resistance to them. Trust the universe to bring you what you need at the right time. Your attitude and energy determine your level of success. Gratitude is the key to unlocking abundance in your life. You can manifest anything you want, as long as you believe it's possible. You have the power to change your life by changing your thoughts. The universe is abundant, and there is enough for everyone. You attract what you are, not what you want. Believing in yourself and your abilities is the key to success. Your imagination is your most powerful tool for manifesting your desires. The universe responds to your energy, so keep your energy positive and high. The more you give, the more you receive. You are the creator of your own life story. You can create anything you want by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Your life is a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs. You can attract abundance in all areas of your life, not just financially. Your life is a canvas, and you are the artist. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. The universe is always giving you signs and signals. Pay attention to them. Your mind is a magnet, attracting what you think about. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. You can't create a negative outcome if you're focused on positive thoughts and feelings. The universe is always working behind the scenes to bring you what you want. Your thoughts and emotions are the building blocks of your reality. The universe will always give you what you need, not necessarily what you want. You have the power to change your life at any moment. You are the captain of your own ship, and you choose the direction you sail in. The universe is always expanding, and so are you. The universe is always providing you with opportunities to grow and learn.